I'm Carrolyn from Conley-Guerrero Senior Activity Center. We are going to be doing some wonderful staying engaged projects in December. And one of them is this little candy cane holder. This is a 4-inch jar or candle holder around which we put 32 little candy canes and some ribbon. So let me show you what you will get when you receive your kit. First, you will get the 4-inch candle holder and 32 candy canes. If by chance you don't use them all, you can eat one. And then we have the ribbon. We're including red and green so that you can choose what you want. And also a stick of glue. When I was trying this out, I started out with a glue gun, and it just left, you could see the glue gun, you could see the glue on the inside. So then we went to this little stick of glue, and it works so much better because you can't even see it on the inside. So that's what you're going to get. Very, very easy to do. Just all you're going to need to do is one little piece of glue strip here and put the little candy cane on it and let it kind of dry. It doesn't take long for it to stick, and then you just keep adding them all the way around. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. You can do it, and I hope that you'll enjoy this particular project and that it will make your holiday festivities even more happy. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.